Greetings to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Galgorias University and currently working as a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today I'm here to talk about the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Research and Education Amendment Bill of 2021. So the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on 15th of March 2021. It seeks to amend the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Act of 1998. The 1998 Act established the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Punjab, and declared it as an institution of national importance. An institution of national importance refers to an autonomous institute established under an act with the power to hold examinations, grant degrees, diplomas, and other academic distinctions or titles. These institutes of national importance receive funding from the central government. So, the key amendments in the bill include first, new institutions of national importance. The bill declares 6 additional National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research as institutions of national importance. These institutes are located in Ahmedabad, Hajipur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Guwahati, and Raebareli. Second is the establishment of the council. So the bill provides for a council to coordinate the activities among the institutes under the bill to ensure development of pharmaceutical education and research and maintenance of standards. Functions of the council include first advising on matters related to course duration and admission standards in the institutes, formulating policies for recruitment, conditions of service and fees, examining and approving development plans of the institutes, and examining annual budget estimates of the institutes for recommendations to the central government for allocation of funds. Then is the composition of the council. The council will include, first of all, the minister in charge of the ministry or the department of the central government having administrative control of pharmaceuticals as the chairperson. Second, the minister of state of the ministry or department of the central government having administrative control of the pharmaceuticals as the vice chairperson. Third, the chairperson of each board of governors, the director of every institute, the chairperson of All India Council for Technical Education, and 3 members of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So the term of office of an ex officio member will continue till he holds the office by virtue of which he is a member. Other members of the council will have a term of 3 years in office. Then the Board of Governors. The Act constituted a Board of Governors for control and management of the Institute's affairs. The Act specifies 23 members in the board, including first an eminent academician or professional as chairperson, second the director of the institute, that is the ex officio, third is 2 pharmaceutical industrialists and 3 members of parliament. This bill reduces the number of members in the Board of Governors for each institute to 12. The board will be chaired by an eminent academician or professional. The ex officio members of the board will be the director of the institute, the joint secretary to the central government in the Department of Pharmaceuticals dealing with National Institutes of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. And third, the secretary dealing with medical or technical education in the concerned state government, and a representative of Drug Controller General of India. Other members will include 3 pharmaceutical experts, at least 1 must be women with certain special knowledge, and second, 2 pharmaceutical industrialists, third, 2 professors of the institute. So this was all about the National Institute of Pharmaceuticals Education and Research Amendment Bill of 2021. Thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. If you really liked it, then please like, share and comment. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel Lex Click for more upcoming such videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.